Hey everyone, this week we're taking a look at a beautiful 4x4 Sprinter build. It's done by Cascade Vans down in Oregon, and Brian is going to take us for a walk around tour of this awesome build. Also make sure to subscribe for the best van life ideas, tips, and tours. Now let's take a look.
What's up guys, Brian here from Cascade Custom Vans. We have another epic build coming out of the shop this week. Fully decked out, inside and out, all the features, everything you want, nothing you don't. Let's have a look. All right guys, let's jump inside, check out the interior on this. Inside here, the two-person layout, micro galley setup, dual benches for the dining, for the workspace, lots of storage everywhere, drawers on the front side and the back side of this bench here, stowaway storage over there. In this van in particular, we have a Roameo dry flush toilet set up inside that bench, and then we relocated our heater, so our heater is tucked on the end of the galley here. Dual lagoon mounting points, so you can work in the front, dine in the front if you want to. So we have two lagoon mounts with two lagoon tables, one for there, one for the other side of this bench here. Galley wise, we have 4 drawers for tons of storage, Dometic 3.8 cubic foot CRX 110S fridge with freezer, pull down sink, drop in stainless, and we have a live edge countertop in this one as well, finished off with a good hard epoxy so you don't have to worry about water, spills, stains, any of that good stuff. Moving to the back of the van, we have a 5-inch memory foam mattress cut to shape for the flare spaces. Sleeping side to side in this rig, you can be up to 6'4", sleeping comfortably with this setup. Overhead cabinets, undermount dimmable lighting front to back. Plenty of storage overhead as well. We also have toe kick lighting in this one and the overhead lighting as well for dimmable everywhere, accent lighting, all that good stuff. Bedside, we have more reader lights. Those are dimmable with 3 different settings. And we have more lights in the garage for load out at night, all that good stuff. A couple more things about this build. We have the wax canvas custom-made Roman shelter cushions. Up top, we have our signature drop slided ceiling. This has a quarter sawn white oak ceiling. Comfort system wise, we have the Timberline Binar system in this one. So that's a hydronic heating system that gives us hot air and hot water. It comes out of the faucet at 120, using the actual fixture to control your temperature on that. We have a full hot shower out of the back as well on this one. On the wall here, we have our controls for our lights and our overheads. We have a 110 outlet with USB ports, and then we also have the thermostat for the Timberline hydronic system. Control center on this van is located in the center overhead cubby here. We have a touch 50 for our power system. We also have a touch display for our Timberline hydronic, controlling your temperature settings, all that stuff, the length of runtime, etc. We have an on-off to control our WeBoost cell signal booster, and then we also have our fresh and gray water gauges located inside of there. All right guys, let's check out the garage. So in the back of the van here, we have a full size custom-made pull-out tray, mounting bikes. If the bikes aren't in it, all your gear, fully extendable, 500-pound drawer slides, powder-coated, super durable, awesome. Load-out lights for the garage as well, so at night when you're in and out, you can see what you're doing. We also have storage inside these cubbies, all around here. 2 on each side. In the rear here, our hydronic system's hidden inside of there, so that's taken up on that end. On the left-hand side here, we have our shower, our stowaway shower. And we also have our city fill port with a quick connection. On the right-hand side is our power hub. We have 5 120 amp X Beyond batteries in this one. So they're parallel to a 600 amp hour battery. We have a Victron Multiplus 12 3K inverter charger. We also have shore power tucked away underneath the van. It's concealed underneath the chassis, so it's not obvious. It's there when you need it. We also have a Victron Smart Charge Controller for his solar, and we also have a DC to DC charger set up for 60 amps, so the engine and the alternator can charge the rear battery bank. All your DC fusing and AC fusing and circuit breakers are hidden inside of here as well. On the left-hand side, where the shower and the water fill are, we have a 20-gallon reservoir hugging the wheel well on this side over here. We have a 10-gallon gray undermount water reservoir beneath, as well as our hydronic furnace mounted underneath the chassis on the outside. We have a sound system in this one as well, so you can see the speakers and the overheads up top here in the rear doors. That also ties into the front of the cab as well.
Hey, it's me again. Make sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and also make sure to comment below on what your favorite feature of this van is. Also, if you haven't heard, we released a podcast called Changing Lanes. On there, we have some really amazing episodes so far, like an episode with Nikki and Connor where they are told that their van was a write-off. Make sure to tune in and find out what really happened. Now, back to Brian.
All right, guys, let's dig straight into the outside. The exterior features in this one, top to bottom, front to back, there's something everywhere here. So let's start off with the rear. We have a backwoods bumper with the Pathfinder LED lights for the outload at night, backing up, tight corners, all that stuff in the brush. We have the ladder tire carrier from Vans. On the right-hand side, we have the Sherpa carrier. We have an A6 recovery shovel, some max tracks on there for the sticky situations, deep sand, all that stuff. All right, guys, up front, we have the California tuned off-road hammerhead bumper with the Baja Design LP9s mounted on top of that, as well as a Warn Evo winch tucked inside. Terra Wagon hood spoiler up top. We also have a paint protection film on the hood to protect from rock chips on the road. Windows, we have a full ceramic tint on the windshield and the driver passenger window. Keeps it cool in the summer, keeps the heat out. We have the Black Rhino Arsenal 17-inch rims on a 265/70 BF Goodrich KO2 tire, great off-road tire. Suspension on this kit as well. So this van has the Van Compass 4.3 kit on it. So we have Falcon shocks up front. They're fully adjustable, so you can dampen it, make them colder if you need to. Adjustable on the fly so that depending on the terrain you're in or the ride you like, you can set it to whatever you prefer. Additional suspension in the back with a 3-leaf pack too. Gives us about an inch of lift, handles the weight of our build well, levels things out. We also have a Sumo spring bumper that gets swapped out in the front to dampen some sway. We have a topographic matte black vinyl wrap along the bottom, also protects against paint chips. Looks super good too. We have the Roameo slider steps, as well as the Safari 2.0 rack with the curved light bar up top. This is a KC Lights 50-inch curved light bar. And then we also have the Dometic power awning up top. We have 2 Zamp 90-watt Obsidian solar panels for 180 watts total of solar. 75K max air fan up top there for all the ventilation needs. And then we have a wee boost in the back on a flip up, flip down setup from Rhino Rack. We have the couple Terra Wagon pieces on this van. We have the Mondo guards to prevent the tire rub, and then we also have the aero spoiler on the hood.
Before you go, make sure you subscribe for the best van life ideas, tips, and tours. Also, if you haven't already checked out this video, make sure you check it out for really amazing van life ideas for the exterior of your van. Until next time, safe travels.